Back. In this video, I'll show you how to fix code using Cursor AI. If your program has errors, isn't working as expected, or you're not sure what's wrong, Cursor AI can help you identify and solve problems much faster. First, open Cursor AI and load the project that contains the code you want to fix. Navigate to the file with the error and review any warning messages or error highlights shown in the editor. Next, select the section of code that's causing the problem. Right-click and choose the AI option if available, or open the AI chat panel. Ask a clear question such as, "Why is this code returning an error?" Or, "Can you fix this function and explain what was wrong?" Cursor AI will analyze the selected code, identify possible issues, and suggest a corrected version. It may also explain the reason for the error, such as incorrect syntax, missing variables, logic mistakes, or outdated code. Read the suggested changes carefully before applying them. Compare the original code with the AI-generated version to understand what has changed. This helps you learn while fixing the issue instead of simply copying the solution. If the first suggestion doesn't solve the problem, continue the conversation with the AI. You can provide the error message, explain what you're trying to achieve, or ask for a different approach. The more context you give, the more accurate the solution will be. After applying the changes, save your file and run your project again. Test all related features to make sure the problem has been completely resolved and that no new issues have appeared. That's it. You now know how to fix code using Cursor AI efficiently. In the next video, I'll show you how to use the AI chat feature in Cursor AI to ask questions, generate ideas, and improve your coding workflow.